Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pie chart in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get started. Here I have prepared my document in Microsoft Word, and if you want to insert a pie chart, we need to go to the insert menu and then go to the chart, and we're going to choose pie, and then I'm going to choose the style. I'm just going to use this one, and we can click on OK. Alright, and then we need to enter the data here. I'm just going to add random data to this table. Okay guys, and this is the pie chart. I'm going to close Excel, and then this is the result. And then if you want to edit your data, you can click on the pie chart, and then you're going to go to the chart design and select edit data. Okay, and you will be able to edit your data here. Okay, and that's all the way to create pie chart in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.